first thing I'm going to show you guys is how I implemented my fade animation widget. This widget requires a simple animations package to even create the animations. To start off, there are two parameters that are needed to pass into the animation widget, which is the delay, and then there is a child widget that is going to be animated. So in the build method, the code creates a new instance of the movie tween class and adds two tweens for opacity and translate Y animation tracks. The opacity track specifies a duration of 500 milliseconds and starts with an initial value of 0 and ends with a value of 1. The translate Y track also has a duration of 500 milliseconds and starts with an initial value of -30 and ends with a value of 0. The curve used for the translate Y track is curves.easeout. The play animation builder widget is used to control the animation of the child widget. It takes several parameters, including delay, duration, tween, child, and builder. The delay parameter is the duration of time before the animation starts, and it is set during the delay parameter passed to the fade animation widget. The duration parameter is set to the duration of the tween. The tween parameter is set to the movie tween object created earlier. The child parameter is set to the child widget passed to the fade animation widget. Finally, the builder parameter is used to specify how the child widget should be animated. In this case, it uses an opacity widget and a transform.translate widget to animate the opacity and translate Y tracks, respectively. The values for the opacity and translate Y tracks are obtained using the get method of the movie class returned by the play animation builder. Overall, this code is an example of how to create a reusable animation widget in Flutter using the simple animations package. So now I'm going to show you guys my main.dart file, which is pretty simple to understand if you are already a Flutter developer. The only thing I want to point out is that I use a single child scroll view with a container that has an image and a stack element that just says hello with some styling. Then I use another container to house my two input fields for the username, password, and then there's a button for logging in that also has a fade animation as well. I think there's fade animations for the text fields too. Yeah, so there's a fade animation for text field, and then also for this hello greeting, I also have a fade animation as well. So there's that, and there is another button at the bottom. That's really just a text right now, but we can turn it into a button later that will also fade in as the screen appears. So with that, let's just see how it animates. Let's show you guys how it looks. So there's that. Everything's fade in. Hello. Type in whatever you want. Again. So yeah, this is just the implementation of the UI screen for logging in to your application. This code will be on my GitHub, and I will make sure to leave the link in the description for you guys to take a look at it and learn from the animations that I created. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment below. I'll see you in the next video.